Rolling down the highway, wind in my hair, chasing sunsets, freedom's everywhere. Living life on wheels, don't need a plan. In my little van, I'm a one-woman band, unfolding stories as the miles go by. Every road I take, I reach for the sky. So here I stand, my heart on display, living life boldly, come what may. In my little home, I'm finally free. Seen as the outsider, just wait and see. The outsider, breaking all the rules, dancing with the wild, I'm nobody's fool. From city lights to mountains high, adventure calls my name, I'm ready to fly. With every turn I find my grace. This journey's mine, here I stand, my heart on display, living life boldly, come what may. In my little home, I'm finally free. Seen as the outsider, just wait and see. Tina's rolling down the open road, with the wind in her hair, carrying her load. Living life in her van, wild and free. An outsider story, just her and the sea. Every mile she travels writes a new tale. Tina's the outsider, brave and bold, living her dream, a sight to behold. With every adventure, she breaks the mold. A free spirit's journey, her story unfolds. Mountains and rivers, she's seen it all. In the rear view mirror, the past starts to fall. With every sunrise, she embraces the day. No maps, no bounds, she's forging her way. Courage in her heart, a fire blaze. Tina's the outsider, lost in her maze. Oh, Tina's the outsider, brave and bold, living her dream, a sight to behold. With every adventure, she breaks the mold. A free spirit's journey, her story unfolds. Come along for the ride. Tina's on the road, living life so free. With a van as her home, she's where she wants to be. Every mile a new story, every stop a fresh start. She wears her confidence, it's written on her heart. Outsider vibes, she's breaking the mold. She shines so bright. With every heartbeat, she claims her own way. Tina's the outsider, and she's here to stay. From coast to coast, she's chasing her dreams, waking up to the sunrise, drifting with the streams. Rooftop views and the stars inside. Tina's dancing through life, igniting the night, living her truth, no fear in her eyes. With every adventure, she learns to rise. Tina's the outsider, watch her take flight. In a life of her choosing, she shines so bright. With every heartbeat, she claims her own way. Tina's the outsider, and she's here to stay. So here's to the journey, let the stories unfold. Tina's the outsider.